Hello, friends. I welcome you all to Tech. Hope you all are doing well. Just look at my channel's name. What does it say? Tech. Might you all know that tech is something like a short form of technology? You all have heard about this word? But did any of you think that what it means, or where did it come from? If you haven't thought this, then don't worry, my friends. What am I here for? Let me explain you. The word technology is derived from two Greek words. Techie and Loatechni means art or craft, and loggia means related to study together. These words become technologmeans systematic treatment. We can define technology as the application of scientific knowledge to the practical aims of human life or to the change and manipulation of the human environment. Coming to the types. There are many types of technology, but here I will tell you about three main types, which are mechanical technology, industrial technology, and medical technology. If I tell you a little bit more about mechanical technology, then just know that the technology of putting together mechanical parts to produce, control and transmit motion is called mechanical technology. For example, manufacturing of a car. Talking about industrial technology is the use of engineering and manufacturing technology to make production faster, simpler and more efficient. For example, electronics, automation, robotics, etc. The third and the last one is medical technology. Medical technology can be defined as the application of science to develop solutions to health problems. For example, artificial organs, ultrasounds, X-rays, ECGs, and much more. Let us talk about the evolution of technology. The pen is one of the first technologies that made it easier for a human to record and reference data. Previous thoughts and action that technology was later improved upon the development of the printing press. This device made it easier to mass-produce the written words, allowing broader access to information. Later typewriters were created, which made it easier and faster for anyone to create documents. Finally, the computer came along and over time has dramatically improved on all previous technologies in the context of editing, writing and sharing in our daily life. The technology is so involved that we can't imagine our world without technology. Education is important for every human being, and for noting down the learned things, we need a pen, which is basically a product of technology. The paper you need along the pen is also a technology product. We move here and there in no time without any effort by using our cars. Another product of technology, the bulbs which light up our houses, offices, are also technology product. In short, technology is involved in almost everything of the world and we can't deny it. That's all for today, guys. If you like the video or learn something, then support me by liking it and subscribing to my channel. Thanks.